Minnebo, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to merge changes between a local Power BI file and the Power BI portal using the ALM Toolkit. On my screen you can see I already have the Power BI desktop app open with a demo file, and I have the same demo file already deployed on the portal. In order to demonstrate how this works, I'm just going to add some new fields to the current dataset. So let's say I'm going to add a new column that shows us the year, month in a certain format. And I'm also going to add a new measure, let's say number of days, which performs a count rows of the dim date. Here you go. If you have the ALM Toolkit correctly installed, you should see tab External Tools with the ALM Toolkit available. Click on it, it automatically pops up to perform a compare. You have a source and a target. In this case, I select my Power BI desktop app, which is open, but you can also select a remote data set or a file, a PBX file you have stored on your computer. The same on target side. On target side, I'm going to select the workspace and a dataset on my portal. You can get this URL by going to the workspace where your dataset is stored, going to settings, and there is a premium tab which contains the workspace connection URL you need to copy. Once you have copied this here and selected your demo dataset, you can click OK. Once you are logged in, the ALM Toolkit compares the two datasets and gives you an overview of all the differences it can find. So the first thing we notice here is that there's an update change on the dim date, and you can scroll down until you find this change, and here you can see there is an extra column in the local file which is not in the target, and the same goes for the measure I created earlier, the number of days, which is missing in the target, and it should just to create it in the target. Let's say for instance we don't want this extra column yet, we select skip on the action and we only have the create left. Before we update the target, we validate the selection. It states that there are no warnings, so that's okay. And then we update the targets. So we confirm, and here you go, the metadata is deployed and all the rows are processed in the target, and it automatically recompares the set with only this change still marked as a difference. There are also some other options over here. You can generate a script to deploy the changes on a later time, or you can just create an Excel report with an overview of all the differences. So that's how the ALM Toolkit works.